Bây giờ là 12 giờ 47 nửa đêm, 12:47 a.m. I'm gonna make me noodle soup, mì gói. Okay. Nấu nước lên. I'm gonna boil some water. The ingredients. I'm gonna use this called me mama. It's pork flavor. I'm gonna use some ham, a couple of eggs, trứng, hành, green and white onions. Okay, so I'm gonna pause for a little bit and continue later. Okay, mới xa gói mì ra bỏ vô ha, bỏ vô tô. Trong đây thì nó có cái bột nêm, spice, này là bột nêm, bên đây là ớt, đây là dầu garlic, tỏi. Okay, so use everything. I'm gonna put all that together soon. So it's time to crack some eggs. Let's turn on the light. Okay, nước cũng sôi. Uh-oh, there's a little shell in there. As you know, I'm doing this one hand, using a chopstick to get this shell out. The heat maybe it's going to the trash. Okay, let me pause. Okay, that's a chili powder. Just use my teeth to tear the bag. And bột nêm, the seasoning from the bag. Probably it's in there. Got some onions, some spices, probably some MSGs for sure. Without the MSG, this thing would not taste like anything. So, actually it's got things like fat, but that's what makes it taste good. Nó làm thấy ngon. Là mỡ, hành, tỏi. Okay. Let's go to here to see what's going on. It's all the silverware. So I'm gonna try to get the mình hớt bọt ra. We'll get the top layer of the I'm not gonna eat that. Throw that away. Okay, the eggs. Oops, forgot something. Hold on. I usually get fresh shrimp, but since it's late at night, these are high quality dried shrimps, tôm khô. I get about this much and drop it in. Okay. Stir it up. Just put that away. That looks done. Mình chín rồi, mình chín mình done. Mình pour vào onto this. Ham, sorry, cooked. Oops. The tôm khô, the eggs. Okay, let me get this black pepper out. Sprinkle a little bit tiêu, black pepper. And then finally, Vietnamese deadly pepper. Ớt hiểm. Doing. There you go, folks. That's my gourmet ramen. Raman Noodles. Okay, folks. Xin chào các bạn ha. Coi này mì gói này nhìn ngon không? Có tôm khô, có trứng, có ham, có hành, có... So this is the best ramen that I've tasted. I tried this out in restaurants before and I really didn't care for restaurants ramen. I make my own. If I have fresh shrimps or fresh chicken, then that would be even better. But okay. Bye bye. See you next time. Chào các bạn ha. Well, I'm gonna do a taste test. So put a little ham in there, a little egg, little shrimp, throw that on top of it. Here we go, folks. Into my mouth.